Good morning, everyone. Wow, good job. Thank you. Okay, so today, so how do you feel?
I'm happy.
You happy? And you?
I'm excited
You feel excited. So can
Yes.
you tell me, so why you feel excited today?
because I have life skill.
Okay, because you can show your friend about the life skill this time, right? Okay, so everyone, yes, I also want to know that. So today, so what you gonna cook?
Today I'm going to show all my friends the way how to fry rice with sausage.
Okay, wow, it looks amazing, right? Okay, so can you show me about the ingredients of the way how to cook fried rice with sausage?
We need to have rice, garlic, scrambled egg, garlic leaf, long beans, carrots, sausage, frying oil, soy sauce, sugar, seasoning, salt, and knob powder.
Now I show you the way how to cook fried rice with sausage. First, put oil in the pan until it's heated. When the oil is hot, put the sausage and cook till it turns like brown. Now the sausage is cooked. Put the sausage on a plate. In the same, put oil and garlic. And then add carrots and long beans. Put the vegetable on the side and add a bit of oil. Put the scrambled egg. Mix it together. And after that, time to put rice. And add some soy sauce, a bit of knob powder, a bit of seasoning, and a bit of sugar. And after that, put the sausage. At the last time, add some garlic leaf. Now my fried rice with sausage is cooked. I share with my friend. Let's taste together. Thank you.
Wow, yummy.
Thank you.
Knowledge unlocks future and bring us up to front. With every bring close realization. Less ignorance can make us dumb brute.
Now it comes to the end. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you on next video. Bye bye.